Hello, everyone. Oh, yeah, it is running. Technical difficulties. Not enough coffee this morning. Hello, everyone. I'm Christian.
And I'm Tracy.
Good morning, everyone. We are coming to you from Baja California south. We're on our way this morning, but look what we're driving into. This is amazing. We had to stop and do this right here. So today we're actually going to Ribera. We're quickly driving up there. We're trying to get through this part between Cabo and San Jose before the sun rises because it's quite blinding. So we're going to go spend some time out there. We're going to check out to see if we can find any RV related stuff. And just kind of do some sights and sounds. We're going to spend some time on the beach. The beach is awesome there. It's swimmable. It's very gentle. And usually we see a lot of kite surfing out there. So we're going to head up the road. Let's go have some fun today. Why don't you join us? So you got to pick up a ticket here, and the payment is at the other end.
Made it to the Tropic of Cancer.
This is the kind of tourist stop, but I want to show you what I found. Follow me. A working spigot. What kind of pressure there is? There's a fair bit of water coming out of there. So if you come early enough, everything's closed, you could just help yourself. You can actually drive through this loop, park right here, and just quickly bring out your fresh hose and fill up your water, your fresh water. I don't know how fresh the water is. It's probably not drinkable. It's probably non-potable, but you have water.
Look at the big pack of dogs. I wonder if that's gonna come on video. They're all going to school.
Dog crossing.
Dog crossing.
Should have a sign.
Oh my God, that's cute.
There's a lot of them.
Oh, I hope that came on video because that was cute. Homemade tortillas right here. We got some tortillas for the beach, and they are fresh corn tortillas for 20 pesos. They
actually make them right there. So they can't be fresher than that.
Can't be.
So we're gonna go have breakfast on the beach.
Okay.
Here, I think that's Auntie's. Oh, wow, look at that. See the canal they opened up?
All the construction up here. It's all new. This is all new construction. construction here.
So we made it to Ribera, the beach. There's never anybody on this beach, it's pretty rare. We basically got stuck in the beach right up there. They kind of plow this. It is typically harder along the beach here, but we hit a soft spot because it's been quite windy, so the sand has been kind of duny, and we hit a soft spot. So a gentleman helped myself and to push the car out. Actually used my sandals